So Ravi, there's no area untouched by IoT, right? That's the ground reality. And digital certificates don't necessarily guarantee security by themselves. I think, their efficacy also depends on how well they're managed. And I think when it comes to IoT, it just gets a little more tough. Can you share your thoughts on, why managing keys? I think keys in specific, on your IoT devices is not something we can take very lightly.
Great. So let's start with recognizing that the infrastructure is very different from what we see in the data center, mostly because it's very distributed in nature. It's a complete zero trust hostile environment and domains. And the heterogeneity that we see in IoT and at the edge is far higher than anything we can even comprehend at the data center. The scale and complexity are orders of magnitude higher than anything we see in the data center. So that's kind of what we really need to start with um, as we start to look at these problems. And as we start to look at the keys, for instance, the keys really are the basis for a lot of the identities, not just the identities, but as we get to the encryption and secrets. So keys really form the basis for a lot of these different aspects as we drive crypto functions. And the entire spectrum of possibilities there will really be PKI, kind of asymmetric keys, and anything related to hardware keys, secrets, tokens. These really form the entire spectrum. And unlike any of the IoT infrastructure, it's not just used for identifying and authenticating. You start to look at much more complex functions there just because uh, these are very mobile devices, so to say. Once a device, for instance, is in a data center, it establishes an identity, nothing changes. However, as we get to the edge, for instance, an MRI machine that can go to Emory, but later on, after a couple of months, that can really be a children's healthcare. So how do we ensure that, first of all, those machines really get through the supply chain, retaining the integrity of the identities? And second, how do we handle the transfer of ownership or the transfer of trust of a lot of these devices and ensure that all data at rest, all data in flight, everything is protected with all the keys that we have completely secured at the edge? And as we look at some of these devices, for instance, replacement of them is a common reality, right? So things out there in the field, and a PLC, for instance, fails a lot faster, more frequently than any server you can possibly imagine in the data center. So we need to have mechanisms to replace those devices while retaining the identity and all the firmware and software on that. So the problems at the edge, the complexity at the edge in managing these IoT keys is a lot harder at the edge than anything we can really comprehend at the data center. But at the end of it, what we're really looking to do is monitor, manage every one of those identities, keys, encryption, secrets, tokens, every one of those different artifacts that we see at the data center. And the goal here is end-to-end trust, integrity, and control. Let me also talk a little bit about the SolarWinds, the the hack that just happened that's very fresh in all our minds. So while that is not really a key problem, that does highlight the need to secure a code signing key, one of the keys, for instance, among all the others.
Okay, thanks, Ravi.